This illustration deals with habitable type rooms. In accordance with NEC 210.70A1, exceptions 1 and 2. Purpose of this change was to provide a revision, and a revision was accepted and added that basically stated a revision has been made to permit lighting and receptacle control technology that is currently available and being installed in dwellings and commercial buildings today. Numerous manufacturers offer remote devices that are wireless, communication with controllers that control the lighting outlet or receptacle. So this revision kind of covers these areas. And first of all, we can have if we look at the call out that's in the center of the room, it's titled switch boxes with snap switches or listed control devices or maybe remote type. Any of those are permitted to control that room according to the owner, how they want that to be provided. And then notice, secondly, plug receptacle should be combination listed and identified type, and according with NEC 210.70A1, exception 1. And then the regular wall switch is in 210.70A1. But in 404, we deal with switches. And 404.14E, 404.8A gives you additional information that help you understand 210.70A1, where you can locate them and so forth. And notice that this dimmer switch has to be listed with this receptacle, or you could just take a regular switch and control a receptacle, but not a dimmer switch. And we get that in 404.14, item 15, and it says plug and receptacle should be combination listed and identified with this dimmer so that you don't overheat it and cause it to cause damage to your wall, or maybe cause a fire. So we kind of look at, one is the receptacle, 2 is what kind of a wall switch are you using, how you're going to control it, and 3, do I want to use a dimmer switch? Now, that's the way I think you should look at it. Of course, you have to look at it in a way that makes good sense to you. A spare separately switched ceiling outlet mounted by 310.14C can be also provided, and that's in the call out to the box above here. I would like to call out the exception 2. Lighting outlet is permitted in accordance with the NEC 210.70A1, exception 2 that we would look there. Rules do not include bathrooms, toilet rooms, closets, hallways, storage, utility spaces, or similar type rooms would not be included. So we know we have wall switches here. It could be 3 ways. And that's 210.70A1. And we could also go to 404.14 for 3 ways, 4 ways, single switches, etc. So basically, reviewing this then, and we've talked about the purpose of change. It's basically just a revision that's been made to permit lighting and receptacle control technology that is currently available and being installed in dwellings as well as commercial buildings. And NEC 270A1, exceptions 1 and 2, would give you these requirements where you have rooms that can be occupied by people, not bathrooms, toilet, rooms, closet, hallways, storage, utility rooms, and those similar rooms. You just go in there for temporary use and you're out of there.